Hi, it's Nancy from Nancy Dilts Wardrobe Consulting, and I'm back for round 2 of DIY denim. This time I'm going to be talking about embroidering on old jeans. It's a really popular trend right now, and it's super easy to do. My first DIY denim video had to do with making a raw hem on old jeans. Also super easy. You can find that on my YouTube channel. But as I said, I'm going to talk about embroidering old jeans. This is one of my most favorite pair of jeans, perfectly broken in, and so broken in that I actually broke them out with my knee busting out. And so I really wanted to keep them in the use stream though, because I love these jeans so much. And I saw this trend on Pinterest and I loved it, so I decided to try it myself. So first what I did was I patched the jeans, and then I'm going to do an embroidery embellishment around the edges of it, which actually locks the patch in a little bit more strongly, and it makes it look really cool. So I'm going to demonstrate. I've done some of the embroidery already, and I'm going to just demonstrate how to do it. It's actually a very easy way to make it look super fun. And the key is to use lots of different colors of embroidery thread. And so I chose sort of a blue-toned Guatemalan fabric for the patch. And then I decided to use pink and orange, because I love that color combination, to do some embellishment around the patch. And so the way that you do this is you can actually are doing all the stitches at once, which creates this super straight and even embroidery. And I think it's actually a Japanese influenced embroidery. And what you do to make these even stripes of color, or dashes of color rather, is you take your needle and you bring it up through the bottom, and then as you're taking your stitches, you want to do a wide stitch and then do a very small portion between the next stitch, and then you're going to do another wide stitch, so the needle goes for a long distance over the top of the fabric of the jean, and then you go down and you do several of these all at once without pulling the thread through until you've done, maybe depending on how many you can fit on the needle, do 3 or 4 or maybe even 5 stitches before you pull the needle through. So you have it like that, and you can see it sort of bunched with little bits of jean between wide bits of needle. And now I'm going to pull it through, and you'll see the dashes of pink come right through. There you go. Super, super easy. So now I'm going to go down, and then just to go down to the next row, you can see on the part above the patch, I did some vertical stripes too with the color to make little hatches, and just to add some variation to the embroidery. So I'm going to do one of those hatches to get down to the second row of pink. And it doesn't have to be even. You want to kind of make it look, you know, it's sort of a bohemian style, so you want to, it doesn't need to be perfect or even. That's part of the fun, is that it doesn't, this isn't meant to look perfect, and so you don't have to be a skilled sewer, which I am not at all, to make this happen. So again, you do little bits. Actually, I'm doing it the wrong way this time. I want to do a little bit of denim, and then a lot of needle, and then a little bit of denim, a lot of needle, a little bit of denim, and then a lot of needle again, and a little bit of denim. Now it's getting kind of full, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it through. And then you have another stripe. So I went ahead and finished the pink and then added the yellow too, and here is the finished product. And I'm so excited to wear these. So this is spring break this week for my daughter Grace, and unfortunately she had to have her wisdom teeth taken out for spring break, so bummer. But we're hanging around at home a lot, and this is a perfect thing to do while you're hanging around at home if you have some time. It actually really didn't take me very long to do the embroidery. The patch took me longer because I'm not a very good sewer, but it's super easy to do, a lot of fun. And now I can wear these jeans again, and they had been out of commission because I had such a huge hole in the knee, and so I'm super excited to wear them. So you can check out my Pinterest page, Nancy Dilts Wardrobe Consulting, and I have a board called DIY Denim where you can see more embroidery ideas and lots of different things that you can do with old jeans to upcycle them and keep them in the use stream. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye-bye.